Hi, so this video is going to be about installation of Python and along with Jupyter Notebook. So this video is special because I'm gonna show you how to install both of these things in a very simple way. So before we move into the installation, we must know why we are choosing Python and Jupyter Notebook, which is the IDE for the data science. I hope the introduction is enough. So let's start the video. So as we already know, Python is a computer programming language often used to build websites and software and apps, automate tasks and analyze data also. But in respect to data science, this language is also very good. There are two languages that are mostly used in data science, that are Python and R. But according to my perspective and my understanding, I prefer Python. Most of the people prefer R too, but we will talk why do we preferring Python in this video later. Don't worry, I'm not gonna make this video much longer on the introduction of these both of these things. I will give you just short things about the few description, and then I will move on to the installation. So let's see what are the why what are the reason why we use Python and Jupyter Notebook. Just to see some reasons and then move into the installation. Okay. So the reason number one is that Python has a vast ecosystem of libraries and frameworks especially designed for data science tasks such as NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib. These are the libraries that extends its capabilities when it comes to data science. And number two, yet it's a very easy and simple language. It is known for simplicity and readability, making it easy for beginners to pick up and use effectively. And its straightforward syntax allowed data scientists to focus more on problem solving rather than getting bogged down into complex language intricacies. And then community support. Python has a large and active community for developers and data science who contribute to its growth and development. Community support means there are plenty of resources, tutorials, and forums available for learning and troubleshooting. So, and next is scalability and performance. Also while Python might not be as fast as lower languages like C, its performance is often satisfactory for most data science tasks. Additionally, you know but extending with NumPy and Pandas are optimized for performance, and that's it. And then Python seamlessly integrates with other languages and tools commonly used in data science such as SQL and some of these. So that's why you can say these are the prominent reason why we use Python. I hope you got the sense about Python. This was all about. I think this much is sufficient for that. Now moving to the Jupyter Notebook, it is an open source web application, or you can say integrated development environment, which is called IDE. It allows you to create and share documents that contain live code, equations, visualization. Also, you can do some codes. Most of the codes it is done inside it. Although it supports various programming languages, but is primarily used with Python for data science tasks. So it also has some reason why it is in used most commonly. So if we talk about the first, which is a Jupyter Notebook, provides an interactive computing environment where you can write and execute code in small chunks called cells. And this allows for an iterative approach to data analysis and experimentation, and you can run individual code blocks and immediately see the results. So now you can feel the sense of what I'm trying to tell you. Now, second reason is data exploration and visualization. With Jupyter Notebook, you can easily load, manipulate, and visualize data using libraries such as Pandas, NumPy, and Matplotlib. The ability to mix code with narrative text and visualization make it ideal for exploratory data analysis and sharing insights. So these were the prominent reason why we use Jupyter Notebook in data science. So I hope you got the sense. Now we need to see how to install these software. So without a delay, let me take it forward. Now let's see how to install Python. So come on your browser, open your browser, whichever preferred, and type Python here, and you click on the first link which says the python.org, and when you will click on this link, and it will show this interface, and go to the download section, and then it will show you the latest version of Python. So you can just download it from here, and then you can just go on the file, just open the file and run the installer, and your Python will be installed. And now to check, I hope you can do this. So now to check how the Python is installed successfully or not, you need to open the command which is cmd, and just type here python dash version, and it will show the version installed, latest version installed in your computer. Okay, so now if we talk about the the installation of Jupyter Notebook. So to install Jupyter Notebook, there's a very easy funda. You need to just type pip install Jupyter Notebook and hit enter. The installation of Jupyter Notebook will start. So I'm not doing this because I've already installed it. So you can do this, and when you install it, and after that when you will check that is it successfully installed or not, you will just type here Jupyter Notebook and hit enter. The Jupyter Notebook will be open on the preferred browser, on your default browser. So that's how we do it. So let me know in the comment if you successfully install the Jupyter Notebook, and I will tell you how to just I will make another video in which I will make you familiar with the interface of the Jupyter Notebook. So let me know if you have successfully installed, and thank you so much for the watching.